Is there any way to get paid if you don't have a job? Any website?
Bro, did you hear about Life Points?
What's Life Points?
Guys, you guys clicked on the right video, guys. Life Points is an app or website as well where you guys can take surveys
and surveys.
Yeah, you guys can get up to $5, $10, and $20 worth of PayPal, Amazon, and iTunes.
You can on PayPal, iTunes, Amazon, all of that.
Yeah, all of that, guys. So make sure you guys watch all of the video, and please, guys, go down in the comments at the end and let us know if it worked for you guys.
If you guys enjoyed
and 100% working, I promise you.
We'll show you proof.
Okay, guys. So the first step is you guys gotta go on Google, but the link should be in the description for you guys. But what you guys have to do, if you want to follow through, just go on Google, write Life Points, and search. And it should be this one, as you guys can see right up here, this one.
Right there.
Yep, and you guys gotta click on it. Let it open. Okay, and do yes, all cookies. You just gotta accept it. And guys, it's easy. First step, you gotta sign up. Second step is take surveys, and third step is get rewards. And guys, we promise you this is 100% real. We're even gonna show you proof at the end. But I don't think so we're gonna be doing the surveys today. But we're gonna show you some receipts that we've already done in the past and got a reward. And I promise you it's real, guys. And guys, for you guys to sign up, as you guys see the 3 arrows up here on the top right, the line thingy, you guys gotta press that. Just gotta wait. Should be, oh, for you guys it should be down here, join now. I think this is a new update, yeah. Press join now, and it takes you to this step, guys. You just gotta fill all of this out, guys. As you guys can see, your first name, last name, email address, then you gotta confirm that, and then password. And then I'm pretty sure the next step is like your PayPal, how you want them to pay you, and everything like that. But we already have an account. We'll see you guys in the next step.
You guys just go sign up.
Yeah, just sign up right now. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, after you guys log in, after you guys sign up, you guys should be in a screen that looks like this, I'm pretty sure. So down here are all the servers that you guys can do, by the way. As you guys, and every day, guys, it updates. You get new servers every day. That's the best thing.
Guys, we haven't done this for ages. Look how much servers we got.
Yeah, we haven't done since ages. Like you guys can see, we got all of these surveys.
We could like make like 50 right now.
Yeah, 50 I reckon right now. And guys, at the top, as you guys can see, 69 it says here. That's how much points we're on right now.
Yep.
Exactly. And it's, as you guys can read carefully on the side, it says collect 481 more to redeem $5.
But the thing is, you can only redeem $10 from PayPal.
Yeah, if you guys want to redeem like PayPal money,
so
then
you need 1,000 basically.
Yeah, you need like 1,000 something. We'll show you guys that later on the video. But for now, as you guys can see, if you guys want to do the survey, it says 11 minutes. This survey would go for 11 minutes and you get 100. The top ones are mostly the best ones to do. And if you guys want to do it, simply just click on it. And it loads up to a new slide. Just gotta wait. And they're just gonna ask you guys can just make random, you don't have to give real information, but if you really want to, you can. But personally, I would, we recommend you not to. Okay, it says to begin, you press this. You just follow all the steps and stuff.
Just like do the whole survey.
Yeah.
You guys got the point, we'll see you in the next show.
Yeah, guys, you guys get the point, we'll see you in the next show. Okay, guys, we fast forward there, so we finished the survey. So once you finish, you should say right here submit. You press this button, it should load up, and you should see the points, how much points you got on the screen. Let's see. Right here, as you guys see, it says 100, and then you press down here, continue, basically. Then you go up. Remember, we were on 69, guys. You gotta watch this change to 169. Let's see.
Yeah, 169. Boom. So guys, we just want you to do all these surveys.
So guys, basically, we're not gonna be going through all of them, but we'll show you guys proof. Yeah, that'll take ages for us. But if you guys wanna do it, wanna make quick money, get the battle pass, use your money for like PayPal or something. That's the best way to do it. But guys, this is how you redeem it. You gotta go right here, rewards, as you guys can see at the bottom, right here. Right now, it will show your current earning. Right now, we have 169 life points. So you gotta go down. It says, I'm pretty sure you press here, yeah?
Yep.
Browse rewards. Actually, redeem. Was it redeem?
Yeah, but we don't have enough to.
Yeah, we don't have right now enough, but. Okay, guys. After you press that, this is what it's open. So at the top, you can just choose what you want to get.
PayPal right there. If you
It
guys
says PayPal, gift cards and stuff.
just whatever you want.
Whatever you want, but we'll just go on this one, guys. We want PayPal, so you press on PayPal. Down here, we'll say $10. Need 1,300 life points, but we don't have it obviously right now. But once you guys have it, you guys can easily redeem it. To redeem it, you guys just need to click on it. Go down here. Make sure you press spend life points.
Yep.
Press that. And then we don't obviously it says we don't have it right now. But for you guys, it should open. It should say name. It should ask for your name, your email address, phone number,
Guys,
and
one
your
thing.
address.
I forgot, when you're signing up, use a PayPal email.
Yeah, guys, make sure you guys use your PayPal email, because whatever email you use at the start, they're gonna link that to PayPal straight away.
Yup.
So don't make that mistake. I already made it, so make sure you guys fix that up.
And guys, we'll show you the screenshots of the
Yeah.
proof that they paid us. I
Yeah.
swear. 1 minute.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Please, guys, once again, go in the comments and let us know if it worked for you guys.
Let us know. If
as
it
well.
did, we'll help you out.
And if you didn't, make sure you guys let us know in the comments. We can help you out. And I'm pretty sure right now it's 2021. I'm gonna tell you guys the date as well. Right now it's 6th April, so it's working right now. Maybe like if you guys are doing it after 2 years or something, it's not working, not our fault. But right now, if you guys are watching this video, make sure you guys do it right now and watch our other videos and help it out. Help us out. Ladies, guys.
Life points is here to save your life, guys.